Hello guys, you've heard the sound of Opel engine B20DTH. I'm going to replace the camshaft chain. The car is on 130,000 kilometers. Now listen to the sound of hot engine. The car is prepared for work. Everything unnecessary is out. On the left in the box you see the camshaft chain, and on the right side these are the new gaskets and O-rings. You can see the camshafts and also the chain. And now you have a closer look at the chain, and you can see that the chain is stretched. It was rubbed in the block, and I'm glad that I changed it now, because if I didn't change it, it was going to break very soon. These are the scars from the chain. And this is the new chain with the new tensioner. Everything is nice and clean on place. This is the old chain and tensioner. These are the old gaskets and some O-rings and some other things. Everything new is PSA original parts. And also I've had to replace this pipe from the throttle to the turbo. The pipe is broken and it was leaking some oil. You can see here on the left. I've also replaced the coolant and the brake fluid. So the car is now ready to be driven. Okay guys, if you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. And now listen to the sound of cold engine and then of hot engine after the chain replacement.